Hey there, I'm Dion, and I want to share a story with you because if you're watching this, chances are you're looking for a way to create real financial freedom just like I was. Let me take you back a few years. My husband and I always had good paying jobs, but living in Vancouver isn't cheap. The economy kept shifting, prices kept rising, and before we knew it, we were living paycheck to paycheck. No savings, no security, just stress. And I get it. That feeling of being stuck, working endless hours to watch bills pile up, it's exhausting. And at 55, I didn't want to spend the rest of my life worrying about money. I knew I needed something different, something that actually worked. And then I found it, a simple blueprint that showed me how to build an online business that actually pays without tech headaches, without chasing sales, and without spending 8 hours a day on it. And let me tell you, what happened next blew my mind. Within days of implementing it, I was making $300 a day, and then $600, then $900. And then get this, I was only working 2 hours a day. Now, if you're thinking, I'm not tech savvy, trust me, neither am I. I just followed the step-by-step instructions and trusted the process. And the biggest win, we paid off our mortgage, became 100% debt-free, and I officially retired. So let me ask you, what would an extra $300 a day do for you? Even $300 a week? More breathing room? Paying off debt? Retiring early like I did? You have the internet. You have this opportunity. So the only thing standing between you and daily pay is you. If you're serious about making a change for your future, I want you to click the link below. When you get in there, you're going to see that there are 4 different program options that you can take a look at, okay? And they each have their own price point so that you can decide which one is best suited for you. So go on, click the link below, and let me know if you have any questions because I'm here to help you any way that I can.